So, hello everyone. Myself Deepak Chawla. I'm a founder of HiDevs, where we are building world largest generative AI workforce. So, if I will give you the why we are just focusing on the building the workforce, so there are the few particular reason behind it. So basically, every company currently want to put their efforts and their money and want to increase the productivity of their company with the help of the generative AI. And this is the only era where we are able to see what level of the AI has been integrated into the different sector companies. Okay, so that's what that we are seeing, and the same thing that we have been seeing at the time of the dot-com boom, okay, or the internet boom that we can say. After that we saw the different technologies, but this is an era where everyone want to put their head into the generative AI, or we can say the AI. As you can see, like the AI summit is also happening, or already has been concluded into the in the France, where the top leaders and the president and the prime minister of the different countries are contributing their views and their thoughts, and how we can be able to make the AI fruitful and thoughtful for everyone. This what that happening in the whole world. So that's why, from our perspective, if any company or any country want to do anything in the direction of generative AI, they have to talented people. They need the talented people. If talented people is not there, then there is no sense to do all this whatever that they are doing. So that's why, without talented people, I don't think generative AI is possible. So that's why we are going to take this responsibility. Okay, we are going to take this responsibility, and we are going to make world's largest generative AI workforce across the globe, and we are going to provide all these things, so people will able to use it. Okay, one second. Yeah, so people will able to use it in their company. So we are giving this opportunity, and we are taking any people like engineers, BCA, BTech, MTech, first year, final year, second year, third year. If you have the good knowledge, then I can assure you that you will able to get a good learning of the generative AI. If I will tell you something about my background, so I have the decade of the experience in machine learning and artificial intelligence and data science, that I have been work since 2014 with the help of my one of the greatest senior, who is currently in the call, Arun Pokarna. So the whole credits that has been given to him only, because due to him only I will able to get to know about the data science. And from that day only that I started my journey, and today I am here. So Arun Pokarna was have very huge contribute whatever that currently I am currently here. So thanks a lot from my bottom of the heart. So yeah, and after that I worked on the different companies, and different like service sectors, product base, and ex-CTO. And recently we have been done a lot of the projects and all these things. Okay, and we are doing the workshops and all these things. So now in the 7 days, in this 7 days, we are going to see, which is no one is going to give you in the whole internet. I will tell you, we will not learn, we will build. Okay, we'll build the project, the end-to-end project from 0 to 1. That's the most important thing, that all we have to be focused. If you don't know the basic of the any Gen AI skills, so I will share you that content as well. You can go and explore that as well. But in the 7 days, 1 hour daily that we are going to do, so you have to be do your all uh, like Python. Okay, once your Python is good, then you know how to do all this code, and we will build everyone project, and that project we will live on our own platform. So what the project that we are going to do, we are going to do the project of your own clone. Yes, you hear it very right, that you are going to learn how to build your own clone. Why I choose this project? Because currently if you go on the different platforms like YouTube, okay, there are the different edtech platforms are there. So on that platform, if you will go over there, and you will see what level of the projects are available. Chat with PDF, okay, chat with YouTube content, chat with document, Okay, so chat, this is not going to be very useful. So that's why we come up very new solution that will be very much uh, different for everyone and very useful. So we will learn to build how you can build your own clone in that 7 days. So I will come daily 1 hour, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Apart from that, I will share the WhatsApp group where I will available most of the time. I work 14 hours a day, so I am available over there. You can come, you can ask me the question. I will ensure, I will give you the surety that in next 7 days you will able to complete your one project and put it on our platform. With that one, you will able to get a job and all these things that you will able to do. And we will also post everyday progress on the LinkedIn as well, so your people will able to get to know that's what's that level of the learning that you are getting, and that will help you to boost your profile and get you the job. So we'll not waste much time. Let's come to the directly our agenda. Okay, so let me share my screen. 1 second. Let me know once it's visible. So I think it's visible, everyone. Can you please thumbs up? That's great. Yeah. So this is our platform, app.hidevs.xyz. So all the courses are available here. You can go, and if you don't have the basic understanding of generative AI, I will give you the basic understanding as well. Don't worry about it. But if you want to go into the much more deeper, whatever that we will learn, you need to be much more learn on these things. So you can go and explore it. It's completely free because I believe content should be free. That's why we keep it as a free. So lead prompt. So this feature has been built with the reference of the lead code, that you can go on the different prompt problem statement and you can solve it and submit it and see how well that you are into this particular section or the particular area. Okay, now let's come to the project section. So we have the project. So here the project, build your own GenAI chatbot. Okay, this is one. Okay, so that's lot of the projects are available here, so you can use whatever that you want to be used. Okay, say once you will able to do it, then you have to submit here, then we'll do the other things. Okay, Bola is not able to see the screen. The same problem is happening with the others as well. Let me not share whole screen. Let me switch it. It's visible. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so whatever that we are going to do, so it's totally available here. So that's why I'm sharing all these things, why I'm telling ki everything is available, because my very simple agenda in this 1 week, 1 week of the uh, 1 hour of the session, 7 hours. So you have to focus on the 7 hours. I will answer whatever the queries that come up in between the process. So I will help you. So don't worry about all these things. So let's try to make this as much as productive as possible. Okay, so let's start it. So those people are not able to see. You can please reload it because other are able to see. So yeah, that's only that I can say. So we have the resources page. So I will open this one. Yeah. So I will explain by this. Okay. So this is one. And after that, hmm, okay. So I'm opening the blog section. Give me a bit. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So we'll start with this image is also very useful to understand about the machine learning. Okay. So if you will see how the machine learning and the generative AI has been come into the market. So I will give you the basic agenda. Okay. Basic history, not agenda. Sorry, my bad. Basic history. So when the all this technology and all these things has been started to data has been increased. Okay. So at that particular time, the few scientists or the researchers has been come into the picture and they are saying that we will do the rule-based data pre-processing. So they are doing the 1915 the rule-based data pre-processing, and with the help of that, they will able to figure out some patterns. Okay, so with the help of that, they will able to figure out the few patterns, and that is very useful. Okay, but that are very limited because data use cases are very much. So that's why they are not able to tackle every corner of the cases. So that's why they want that can be handled every scenario. So after that, what will happen? Machine learning come into the picture. So machine learning is totally based on the mathematics, where the linear algebra, okay, and derivation, okay, and statistics, probability, all these kind of the things has been integrated into the system, and they build their own algorithm, and with the help of that, they will able to predict something. So they will able to create some kind of the pattern, and then they will start analyzing it. So this is what that they have been done in the field of the machine learning. So machine learning also not able to achieve that level of the accuracy. So that's why data is increasing, they are not getting the accuracy. They have achieved the threshold till 80% or 85%, they have the accuracy in the machine learning, but they are not able to go beyond that. So that's why they come into the neural network. So neural network is the advanced version where we are seeing the mimic of the human brain, where we are building the mimic of the human brain with the help of the whatever that we have currently in our human brain, because we know human brain is one of the biggest contribution by the god to the humanity. Okay, so that's the same thing that has been they mimic into the neural network. So they has been doing very well. They have been very uh, building the data, okay, working on the data, getting the good accuracy and all these things. After that, there's one more architecture has been come into the market, which is known as the transformer. Okay, and with the help of the transformer, the whole system has been changed. Why? Because this is the advanced version of the neural network that has been come by the Google. Okay, that has been come by the Google, and Google changed all these things. After that, the things has been invented, the research has been going, keep on going, and all these things are happening to and fro. Okay, so all these things are happening to and fro. So train with the after that, what happened? If you will go and check it out, nowadays we are using most of the model already available in the market. So take an example of the pre-trained model. So what is a pre-trained model? Pre-trained model is a model. With the help of that, you will able to use that model, update your data, very small data, and you will make it your useful, make it useful for you only. So that's what the nature of the pre-trained model. Now if I talk about the GPT, whatever the models that currently we are seeing in the market, that all are the pre-trained model, that are all pre-trained model based on the pre-trained model like pattern. Okay, so that's what that happened, and now we are currently in the era of the pre-trained model. Transformer, BERT, 2018 GPT-1, 2019 GPT-2, 2020 GPT-3, and then 2022 Instruct GPT, and currently ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is the application which is based on the GPT pre-trained model. So currently ChatGPT is a not a LLM model. That's are using the GPT-4, GPT-O Mini, GPT 3.5, Turbo. There are different models are available. So this is a brief history. Okay. So if we talk about what actually the pre-trained model. So pre-trained model are the foundation model where we are going to give the vast amount of the unlabeled data. Unlabeled data means data is unstructured format. If you go into on your chat, okay, Google, sorry, your WhatsApp chat or your LinkedIn different YouTube like accounts, so you can able to see the all data is unlabeled data. We don't have the proper structure of the data. So that's what that we are doing in the training of the models. So that's why we are saying that we are taking the vast amount of data as the unlabeled data and forming the backbone of the generative AI. So that's known as the foundation model. Now there's a one tricky thing, and that's the interview question as well. I always ask, and someone also asked me as well in the in 2023. Yeah, what is a different foundation model? So two different types of the foundation models are currently available in the market. One is language model, LLM. Second is diffusion model, computer vision. So when we talk about that LLM, that means that particular model is able to handle only the text. If we talk about diffusion model, that means that particular model only able to handle images and videos. Okay. And now if I talk about a model which able to handle language, or we can say text, as well as the images, audio, that known as a multimodal. That's the beauty of the currently that we are working on. Okay, so that's known as the foundation model. There are the two different types of the models are available in the category of the foundation model, LLM and diffusion. LLM means text, diffusion means computer vision. Now, one of the biggest thing that currently people are saying, if we will able to get a job of the like as a prompt engineer, then you will get a 50 lakh or 50 LPA package. Okay, or $100K. No, it's not going to be happen at all. It is important, but it doesn't mean that you will get the job only for the prompt engineering. No, I will prove that prompt engineering is very important. So take an example. Currently, we all are here. We are talking. We are discussing a lot of things. But in my system, Gemini is open, DeepSeek is open, Gemini, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Claude. I use always different different LLM model application. But if I will not give the prompt, all this application is in the ideal state. So that's what the major reason behind that people are want to stress on the prompt engineering. Without prompt engineering, you are not able to do anything. So if you want to if you want to take out the best possible solution from the any LLM application, you should learn the prompt. Without prompt, nothing is going to be happen. And we are living in the world where every person thought is different, DNA is different, okay, your identity is different. So if all these things are different, then your way of style the prompt is different. In the world of the programming, when we are in the world of the programming, we have been defined already. This is a syntax. If you want to define the for loop, if I will write the for loop here, the same way Mark Zuckerberg or Elon Musk will write the for loop in Python. There's no difference because that has been defined. That has been static by now. But now prompt is not the static one. It is totally dynamic one. That's why you want to learn prompt engineering. If you're not able to learn the prompt engineering, then you will not able to take out whatever the result and the responses that you want from your chat GPT or the whatever the application that you are using. So that's why we want to learn the prompt engineering very nicely. Okay, so this is data. Okay, so text, images, speech, unstructured 3D signal, training, foundation model, adaptation, different tasks that able to do. What are the characteristics of foundation model? Pre-trained, generalized, adaptable, large, self-learning. Okay, this is that I already told you. Two different types available, large language model and diffusion model. This is a timeline, how the things has been changed, what the new model has been come into the market, and how the things has been changed after that. Now there's a two category of the any LLM model is available in the whole world: open source and closed source. That's it. Closed source, GPT, okay, by the OpenAI. Chat GPT is the application, GPT is the LLM model or the multimodal given by the OpenAI. So this is what the closed source, where we don't know what's happening into it. So that's the black box. We don't know what's happening in that one. Open source, available by the lot of the companies like Meta, like Mistral, okay, and there are the other like Microsoft also doing all these things. Okay, so now what are the benefits of open source? When you will use open source, you don't have to pay much. You can easily download it into your system and you can use it. But that is very high, very cost, like expensive, resources extensive. So that's why we cannot able to use it. That's why there are the few other companies are available in the market that I told them third party cloud services. So I will show you how you can able to use open source model into your project and complete it without giving a single like dollar, rupees or paisa, whatever that you want to be considered it. I will not give you anything that will cost you. That's totally free, that you can use for your own. Once you will able to make yourself comfortable, then you can go and work on your own closed source. Okay, so that's how that's working. Now there are two things again to access the LLM model: fine tuning and prompting. But if I will talk about the fine tuning, then again I have to talk about the prompting. Fine tuning means you have the LLM model. So if I will say, this is my LLM model, okay, this is my LLM model. Now I am adding some layer on this particular LLM model. Then what I will do, so here's the written, Google has been written here. Okay, Google has been written here. Okay, and I want to change the name of it. So what I will do, I will fine tune it. I will change the color of this white to the blue. With the replacement of Google, I will write the HiDevs or my name. Okay, whatever it is. After that, fine tuning. What is the purpose of this bottle? To drink the water. So whatever the fine tuning I will do, the process before and after to accessing the data of this one always be the same. Open it and drink it. That's it. Whatever the fine tune that I will do. So this is what the LLM model. Doesn't matter which LLM model that you are using, what level of the fine tune has been done, you always have to do the fine tuning. You always have to use the prompt. Without prompt, no LLM model in the whole world can able to think automatically. No. Okay, there are the agents are there. We will talk on that particular topic as well, how it's different from prompting and all these things. I will clear in next 7 days everything which will give you the glimpse of the generative AI. I bet you that is going to be clear. Okay, so once you will fine tune, once I will fine tune this particular bottle, then I have to drink in the same way that I was drinking before the fine tuning. So that's why prompting is very, very mandatory. That's why we create the lead prompt with the like mission that we will able to give the good prompt engineers in the market. Now if we talk about the LLM hallucination, so LLM hallucination is a kind of the issue. It's happening when your model is giving the wrong or false information. That's it, nothing. So types of hallucination: lie, nonsensical, source confliction. So there are a lot of things are there. Okay, so how to improve it, we will talk on that particular topic as well. Okay, so how you can improve it? So there's only one single solution is available. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, let me open it, my ChatGPT is visible. I will click it here, temporary chat. Okay, so I will take the anyone names who is Xavier. Let me see, the full name is possible. Xavier Lodi. So Xavier Zubair, sorry, Zubair Lodi. Zubair, please don't mind. So they are searching from the web. So is it your one, Zubair? The information that you are seeing on the screen, is it right? No, that's not me. That's the hallucination. Now, if I will give the details of the Zubair here, then I will ask the question, then they will give the good answer. So that's the particular problem that currently ChatGPT or any LLM model is currently facing off. So we will talk about that as well, how to mitigate that particular problem and how to work on that particular problem. Okay, so now let's jump on our coding part. Okay, so do we need, yeah, so this is, we'll do very basic prompt engineering. Okay, give me a bit, let me open. That's good one, Jubair. So let's start. Okay, so I talk about the OpenAI, open source, and all these things. So I will open that as well. So this is one company, Grok.com, world's fast AI inference. Sorry, my bad. AI inference. Okay, so I will click on the dev console. It will open something like this. I will ask write a Python API for CRUD operations with SMD format and proper test cases. See, this is the level of the speed that they are giving. 275 tokens per second. This is insane. So that's why they are claiming themselves world's fast AI inference. This is one. Second thing, this one. They have all the open source models are available here. You can directly go and use it. So if I will show you API key, first we will go the settings, then we have the billing free. We have the few limitations of the speed, but they are very good to go that we can work on it. Okay, for the learning purpose. So I will go on the API key. As you can see, there are a lot of API key has been used here. Okay, so I will click it here. 70 workshop HiDevs. So I will copy this. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, I will explain everything, don't worry. Okay, so now one thing that we have been sorted out. So I paste my key here. Okay, I will explain everything, don't worry about it. Okay, so there are the few things that we need before starting any project. The first thing is that which programming language that we are going to use. That's the important factor. So we are going to use Python. Which LLM model that we can use? We will use Llama 3. Okay, which LLM hosting platform that we are going to use? So we are going to use Grok. Okay, this is open source model. Okay, this is sorted. Which framework that we are going to use to build our generative AI application? So AI framework is LangChain. LangChain AI framework that we are going to use. That's it. Got it? So we have Python. We know Llama 3 that we have to use. We already take the API from here and we are using LangChain AI framework. Okay. Now come to the point. So we will install few packages. So few packages are available here. So there are a few packages are installing. Okay, if you are aware about the how all this happens, so as you can see, it's happening. Just wait. So till that, we'll come here. Okay, we'll not waste everyone time. So if we talk about now, like ask who is Deepak Chawla. Let's see. They are searching from the web. So there are multiple Chawlas are there. See, yes, I will share everything into the WhatsApp group. Okay. So Siri, if you are in the meeting, can you please share the WhatsApp group in the meeting link? So we will able to give the answer over there. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Siri. See, again, nothing is available here related to me. Okay, now I will add few details about me. Okay, how I will add? I will go to the again here. I will write here are the details of Deepak Chawla. Okay, so I will take from LinkedIn. So I will not waste everyone's time here. So let's go to the LinkedIn. I will copy here. So this is the few details. See, this is a few details. Now I will give. Now you have to. Now you have to answer. Now you have to answer related to the above Deepak Chawla context only, nothing else. Enter. So now, okay. Now we'll ask who is Deepak Chawla? Who is Deepak? Let's ask. See, so this is a way that you have to give a proper context. Whatever the query that you want to ask, you have to give all this data in a proper context. Previously, this is not available. Previously, we have to keep on train our model. So that's why now the things has been changed, totally changed, as you can see. Okay, the same thing that we will learn in our this 7 day of the workshop. Okay, this is one. Now let's come to the coding part. So our packages has been installed. So now there are a few examples, okay, for the prompt. So there are a few prompt techniques are available. Okay, so this is a code langchain.prompts prompt template langchain underscore grok chat grok schema human message. I put my grok API key. I given the llama 370b 8192 from where I will show that as well. Go to the here. Okay, I copy already, so I will not have any issue. Settings, documentation. You can go on the documentation model, and you can see the all models names are available here. See, this is all the models. So I took this one. Okay, so I already copied. I'm copying one more time in front of you. So I will remove this and copy once again. Okay, so I will remove this space, extra space. Now I am using chat grok. That's why I'm using grok. That's why I put the chat grok. Got it? After that, one shot means if you are using any prompt technique or any prompt with where you are giving the one shot, or that means one example. So whenever we are giving the one example in your prompt, that means one shot. If we are giving few shot, if you are giving more than one, then you have to use more. If you are giving more than two examples, then few shot. If you are giving two shot, That means 2 examples. That's it. There's no other difference are available here. So we'll see how well that has been defined here. Question, prompt template, input variable. I will show the input variable as well. Give me a bit. Okay. I will give you the much about this as well. Okay. 1 second. Yes, you will get everything. Don't worry. All the resources has been given to you. Just focus here. So that will give you the much more learning. Okay. Everything is available. Don't worry. Everything. So this is a code. Okay. I will copy this key and put it here and I will run it. See, now I will show you. This is a few imports that we do. Okay. That we did. After that, Grok API key, chat Grok. Now, if you want to change this chat Grok with the Gemini, you don't have to do anything else. You just have to go on the Google and search Gemini for the LangChain. You will get a code and you have to just change this code with the API key. OpenAI, change the API of the OpenAI and this code. So we have been defined the LLM. Now this is my prompt template. So prompt template is giving, write a short poem about the beauty of the autumn. So I will change with the winter. Now I have input variable 0. I will explain what is the variable meaning of the input variable. Template equal to prompt template. LLM chain, where now the game happen. So LLM chain taking the LLM variable. Okay. And prompt equal to prompt. So prompt is here where we already defined the prompt template. And now the prompt is here. LLM is here. LLM chain. Now I am invoking the LLM chain by passing this simple, and then I am asking that this one is my question. Then I will run it. So this is running. See, generative AI result. Generative AI result. Winter bridge. Blah 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 blah. Now if I will change this, write a short poem about the beauty of winter instead of cow in 50 words. Simple. Now I will ask in song format. See how easy it is. That's why don't be get fear from the generative AI. That's very easy. I make it very easy for you. That's my bet. Okay. So this is a simple code. Once it has been done, now what next that you have to do will come on that part as well. Variable. Okay. The dynamic variable. So we'll talk about the dynamic variable. Now this is a again prompt. So this is translate the sentence. Now I defined the variable into the curly braces. If you people are from the Python background, I don't know how many are from there. So if you are from the Python background, then you know when we are defining any variable into the string format, we have to keep into the curly braces. So I defined 2 variables here, sentence and language. So whenever I will change this particular 2 variable values here, then it will automatically change here. That's it. So this is my prompt. After that prompt template, currently I have been given the 2 variable. If I will go and change with this 2, or sorry, compare with this particular code to this. So as you can see, sentence and language. Here, nothing is there. That's the only difference. If you will give into language and language 2, you have to copy this, paste. That's it. Ho gaya, khatam. Got it? So this is how that has been defined. Once you will define here, then you have to define the LLM chain. This always be the constant. There is no difference in between this. Then translation change. This is a variable. You can just put any like Chirag. So I will change the variable Chirag with LLM chain. Here I can do Harshit. So I have to just change this with this. This is a variable name. Don't worry about it. Here I can Manas. So here the Manas is there. Yes, I will share the all information in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Okay. So this is what actually happening. Translate variable given. We have to define variable here, as well as we have to define the variable here as well. Okay. Yeah, I will share once the session will over. Okay, don't worry. So I will say German or English. German. Just go for the German. Okay. See. Now I will run it. Run it. See. First one is German. Second one is French. Okay. Sorry. French and German. See. So this is the beauty of the dynamic variable assigned to the prompt. So see how easy it is. Why people make it very tough? Ki you have to learn this, you have to learn this. No, this is not a case. Now you can directly access your LLM model, or you can build your own any solution of the generative AI with the help of the simple code. Here we define the simple. After that, here we define this one. Got it? Okay. Now let's come to the next part. So one shot. So here you can see I given the example. I asked the question, I given the example. This is my prompt template. In this prompt template, I given the example. Why I'm giving the example? Always treat LLM model like the your child. Okay. If you will able to do this, then your productivity or the response will always be increased. Got it? If I will give multiple examples to my daughter, okay, then understanding the particular concept will increase. That's why we have to treat every LLM model in a such a way that we are giving a good examples. So this is when that you are giving a single example, okay, that means one shot prompt. When you are giving more than two, then that means few short example. Got it? If now talk about like too short, so instead of few, I will too short, and I will remove this is also. Got it? So this is how that the things are connected. Chain of thoughts. Again, this is very important. We'll talk on this particular thing as well. Give me a bit. Okay, I will share that screen as well. So let me open that particular link, prompt guide. So let's open this. I will share that particular. So chain of thoughts. This is one of the greatest image that I always refer. See this. So this is a standard prompting. We have been given question, then we have been given the answer, then we'll ask the question and give the answer of that particular question. Answer is wrong here. But in the chain of thoughts, this is not a case. Why? Very basic reason. Very basic reason. So we will go and check. There is a proper mechanism to prove a mathematic situation when we are doing in our school time. So at that time, when we have to prove LHS equal to RHS, what we have to do? We have to do very basic things. What that basic things is that we have to go step by step and we have to explain it. This is connected to this is connected to this. That's why LHS equal to RHS. So here, as you can see, I explain everything to my LLM model. Roger started with the 5 balls, 2 cans of the 3 tennis balls, each is 6 balls, 5 plus 6 is 11. Now output is correct because again I'm giving you the proper thing that you have to take your LLM model and why you are explaining the prompt. Why you are explaining the prompt, then in that condition, you have to treat your LLM model in a such a way that what will happen? That's it's your son or daughter of the 2 year or 3 year, 5 year, 6 year, whatever that you want to treat in that particular manner. If you will do this particular thing, then I bet you your prompt will be good and your responses will be best. Got it? Now come to the code. Yes, step by step explanation for the model to understand. Good job, Narinder. How can we generate the AI chatbot? Understand the response. Let's think step by step. So we have been given all these things. So that's known as the COT. Okay. Now I will run this one. So see, that's it. So this is how that you can able to do all these things. Got it? Now let's come to the our main agenda where we are building a chatbot. Okay. So one shot, few shot, COT, all has been done. Okay. Now I will copy this particular code. Okay, I will go down, down, down. Okay. Okay. I will, oh, I already have this one. I will just paste it here. Okay. And I have this as well. Okay. So we'll use, okay. No need to be used this. We remove this one. Okay. We'll copy this and paste it here. So try to run this. It's working. Yes, it's working. Now I will tell you how you can build your own clone. So we'll change this particular prompt. Enter. First, system prompt. This is a structure to define. Okay, already defined. I will give you that particular as well. So prompt structure. So I'm open the yeah. See, instruction, context, prompt input, and output indicator. Instruction means what you want to be achieved from your prompt or your system. That is known as the instruction. Context means that we have been given currently the context to the system. Currently, in the chat GPT way, I have been given my own context and then I have asked the question. Prompt input, user query. And output indicator. You can define what type of the output that you need. Sorry. Okay. So instruction, context, prompt input, output indicator. So instruction, again I am saying whatever your agenda, you are building a chatbot for your company, so you have to write about over there. So you are the chatbot, you have to do this, you have to do that. This is a proper manner that you have to do. Okay, so this is one more example. Prompt structure. See, you are the professional copy. I will open in the here. You are the professional copywriter in the B2B space. Your task is to write a LinkedIn post about the future of AI, strictly following the instruction below. So this is your task, okay, or intro. After that section of the instructions, use a conversational tone or invoice, or use a conversational tone of the voice, write short sentences, and with call to action to the free tile, okay, and outro. Okay, so after that, now write the LinkedIn post. So this is all about the prompt structure. So you always have to define your prompt structure. That's the only one thing that you have to be learn very well. We'll open this as well. See, content, intent, style, command, outcome. Okay, so this is a context, style and tone, intent, instruction. So how well that you will define your prompt, that well that you will able to get your best output. That's the beauty of our prompt, that we have to be defined. So okay, so let's jump to the our code. So here, let's jump to the here. Now I will come here. Okay. Mm, system prompt. Okay. You are a AI clone who are the personality mimic of the uh Deepak Chawla Deepak Chawla, who is yeah, who is a data scientist and a human being. So let's come here, and a mentor working as a founder of HiDevs, who are working to build world's largest Gen AI workforce. Okay, this is a basic intro that I am giving. So this is system prompt. Now context. So I will copy the context previously that I put over there. Okay. So I copied context. You can say context, data, knowledge base, whatever that you want to tell, you can tell it. That's not a big issue at all. Okay. So knowledge base. Okay. Now this is done. Instructions. Okay. So let's come to the instruction part. What instruction that we can do? This is also very important. Instructions. You have to answer. Sorry. You have to answer in human like tone. Short answer wherever needed. Okay. So instruction one. Okay. Two, and don't be reveal your mm, your personality, that okay, yes, you will get the this. Don't reveal your personality, that you are a LLM model. Okay. Now you are a human being. Now you are no more a AI system. You have feelings. So all these things that you have to do. Okay, there are few things also that you have to give for the scarcity. Okay, you have to create a fear. If you will give wrong answer, you will give wrong answer, then police will Police will catch you. Okay. Or you will die. Because why? Police will catch you, you will die, because you are the human being, na? That's why. So you have to give, this is the way. Okay. Now input user query and answer. Okay. So I know you are laughing, but yeah, this is a way that you have to do. This is the only way. So this is my prompt. Okay, this is my prompt. Now I will change everything here. Okay, user query. That's one thing that I need. So I will define user query variable here. User query. I will remove everything here. Okay. Hello, how are you? My Deepak Ravla clone. Okay, everything done. Let's ask the question. So we'll go something like this. We'll define. So that has been defined. Now I will ask the question. See, Deepak Chala clone. Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you. How I can assist you? See, now I am getting something like this. Please note that I am here to provide accurate information. I don't have feeling and personal. I am an AI language. This. Why this is coming? That's I have to see. Okay. So this is a problem with LLM. You have to keep on see why the things are going. Okay. So I have to add few more things. Don't answer more than 6 words. Don't means don't. Always do the things whatever has been defined. See, bingo. Who are you? Okay, who are you? Got it? See, that's done. That's very done. That my clone is ready. Getting my point? Now you don't have to do much like fear that you cannot build your own clone. You just change your things, change the whole code with your own things, and we are good to go. So this is what that we learn in our first session. Now I will here to answer whatever the question that you want to ask. You can ask me. Put it your questions into the group. Till that I will share the WhatsApp group. Okay, let's come to the this. Yeah, so WhatsApp group I am sharing. 1 second. Here is the WhatsApp group. Members. Copy. So here the WhatsApp group. This is a WhatsApp group. This is our platform. This is our website. This is our platform. Okay, you can join. I will share everything in that group. Okay. So what if we create a bot for the company level? Should we add everything about the organization in the instruction section? No, in the knowledge base. Okay, instruction means what to do, what not to do, how to do. All this means instruction means instruction. That's it. Knowledge, you can define a variable knowledge base, data, information. This is how that you can define. Got it? So there are a lot of questions previously. I just keep on saying. And don't forget to be join the WhatsApp group, because all this data that I'm going to share over there, so that will be helpful to everyone. Okay. So yeah, anyone else? Yeah, you will get the recording, step by step explanation given in the prompt. That means the chain of thoughts. Few short, too short are there. So you need to install something. Do we need to install something and prefer some activity at our end? Everything is on the Google Colab, so you can do very easily. There's other framework like Crew AI in AutoGen not being used in industry as there's some function to build in. So I will tell you one thing here, and that's a very good question. No framework is bad and no framework is good. Always depend on the use case. You have to see what the best for your use case, what your best for your particular thing that you are doing. That's it, nothing else. For me, everyone is good. For me, everyone is bad. Depend on what is the particular use case that I am working on it. Okay. So that means short the first available result, then search on the GPT has responded about the 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗵 There's different. Yeah. So go to the Google, search it. Always different based on the data, whatever the data that they are getting. If data is different, then the result or the response is different. Why does this called the machine learning world? Machine learning world means machine are learning on the data and then giving the answer. That's why, uh, and that is what we known as the machine learning world. ChatGPT is trained on all data. Yes, it is not trained on all data. It is trained on data which has been old now. Okay, and data is keep on updating. That's why we are giving a context to our LLM model or the query that work very well. Okay. Yeah. So any other? What are some challenges in fine-tuning model? The agenda of tomorrow's class. Tomorrow class, we will go for the end-to-end, solve the problem of the prompt engineering LLM model that we are going to use. Sir, we will get the collab file. Yes. Do join the group. I will share everything over there. Okay. Don't worry. Can advise on the custom tools. We'll see how well that we can do well in the next class. What is the challenging is creating a new GenAI tool is the diverse data on model itself. Assume we have the diverse unlabeled data. This is totally out of context or the course of this particular workshop, because it's totally like you have to build your own LLM model. This is not going to be easy task. So that's need a model data and everything. So that's why. Are there any sufficient opportunities, Emily roles, professor without the master in India? Yes, there are the lot of roles are available, and we are also giving the job, and we have the good connection. You can just join our platform, and you can send me requests as well. I am sharing my profile as well in a group, so that will be helpful. So here's my profile. You can just send me request. We have the opportunity. As a business consultant, I don't want to do coding. I want to learn deeper understanding of if I will involve any of the GenAI. What you suggest? Can you define the knowledge structure, please? So I will prefer, Jubair, you will go 7 days of this, so you will able to understand. Don't do coding. I'm also not giving you that particular mindset that you do go and do the coding. No, but you should know all these things, because when you are working as a business analyst, so in that particular like area, you should know how the things are working. If you will know, then only you will able to suggest. Got it? And if we talk about the knowledge structure, so yeah, I will give you something tomorrow about it. Okay. But yeah, I will tell you, go take our 5 day workshop. That's mostly of the 5 hour only. So that will increase your knowledge. So that will help you to understand how well that you understand the generative AI. Then you will be able to connect the business needs and take the business needs, take the generative AI, connect it properly, and present to the your service company and whatever it is. Okay. So if you don't know, then you will also not able to connect it, because that's what that the business analysts are doing. So is there any in-depth course are coming? Yes, there's an in-depth course. Super 30 batch are coming. So in the month of the March, with the 100% of the job security, if we will not able to get to you the job, you can take your 100% refund. We'll teach you from scratch. Yes, we are working as a scratch. Sir, roadmap to master Gen AI. Yes, it is available on our platform. You can go and take the interview, and we will give you. Does the AI model are able to train itself from uploading data? In the currently, it is not available. It is a part of the AGI, which is currently in the available in the next future. AGI is possible. Yes, it is possible, and I am on my personal project. I am working on the AGI. So sooner, I am also going to be take the much more all these things. Thank you, Jubair. Thank you so much. It's glad that you like it and it's help you. Can take a more workshop on data science also. I don't know about the data science. If you want to take, already available on our WhatsApp, sorry, YouTube channel. You can go over there and do it. Thanks, Bola. How I build? Okay, Jarvis. If you will able to learn this 7 days, then you will able to build it your much. How much is your gen? How much is your Gen AI? Bola, I didn't get your question. Who was sharing your profile to connect? I shared everything into the WhatsApp group. You can join there. I am a software. Can I learn? Yes, you can learn, because nowadays everything is going to be related and connected with the generative AI. How to be part of the Super 30 batch? Sooner we will launch. You go to the platform, log in it, explore it. So we will able to send you the good resources. And once it will be live, you are in the WhatsApp group. So we will send you everything. So please give us your connect on your participants. This is my profile. Sir, why is tokenization important for how does it help to understand and generate the text? Tokenization means tokenization means that you have the sentence and that has been divided into the words. So when we are building any token, so or sorry, when you have the sentence, my name is Deepak Chawla. So dividing a sentence into the tokens depends on the tokenizer. So how well that has been divided. So that's totally very much important. If I will divide Deepak into the three part, tokenizer one, tokenizer two, dividing Deepak into the three part or two part. So after that, what will happen? Deepak meaning is lie only the one word, but I'm dividing into the three words. So tokenization is very important. So yeah, I will accept the that's right. Okay then, thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, and do share whatever that we have been learned. Let me, if you guys are happy to share your sorry, open your camera, so we will take the screen and share with the on the LinkedIn. And please do share your request, so I will tag you in my post so that others people able to know. So if you are all comfortable, then please turn on your camera. We will do the screenshot. Okay, 2, 3. Anyone else? 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7, 8. That's great. Okay. Rehan, Jubair, Chirag, Harshit, Saif, Vivek, Ayush, Mohan, Vishnu. Some people. Rahul, Bola, Narendra, Ruhi, Hemant, Priyank, Imanshu, Vivek. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Hi. Hope you enjoy. Yeah. Hansi, Alexa, Rahul, Himanshu, Priyank, Mohan, Rahul, Ayush, Narendra, Hemant, Ruhi. Okay, so I think they are not comfortable. No issue. I will take that screenshot only. Give me a patch. Mm, So I think let's say cheese. Yeah, that's done. I will share into the group. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll meet again tomorrow, sharp 9 p.m. Bye. Take care. I will send everything. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.